Hi everyone, it's Tiffany and today I will be unboxing the Disney Minnie Mouse Fashion Dolls collection by Jakks Pacific. I want to thank Jakks for sending these to us for our review. Today we are rocking our dots. That's right, it's Rock the Dots Day, honoring the iconic Minnie Mouse. So what better way to celebrate than unboxing these amazing dolls? If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. If you're watching on Facebook or IGTV, please don't forget to double tap and please follow and tag one of your Minnie Mouse loving friends. You already know you love them, you want them. Find them at Walmart, they're amazing. Let's get started. First we have Glamour, Gala, Minnie Mouse, dressed from head to toe beautifully in a silver tiara. Her dress is really pretty, high-waisted, tiered ball gown. So beautiful, polka dot details on the tiers, fully articulated at the wrist, legs, head, and arms go up and down. So she's very, very easily posed. Look at that starlet pose. He comes with a glittery clutch that matches perfectly with her dress. She's totally ready for a night on the red carpet at $19.97 at Walmart. You could stand them up easily, so they're really, really easy for play or even for display. Next is Sweet Latte Minnie Mouse. She's also articulated, also 10 inches in height, so she can play with other dolls and be placed in other environments for display. She is so cute. I just love her mod polka dot dress and her beautiful coat and wristlet. Shoes are glammed up gold. They are so cute. Bows on them, and they're also removable, so you could switch out the shoes. Check out those little toesies. I love the faux fur on the coat as well, and all of the little details that this doll has. She also comes with her own beautiful pair of cat eye sunglasses that are also removable, and she has a really cute expression. She is just perfection and ready to go and have a cup of coffee, maybe at the Kitten Cafe. She also comes with her own personalized cup of joe. This is Minnie Mouse's personal to-go cup with a Minnie Mouse head on it with a bow. Next we have movie night, Mickey and Minnie. They took us with them to their movie date night, and look how super cute both of them are. This set comes with Mickey Mouse. He's a little nerd. He has his nerdy glasses on that are removable alongside a removable beanie hat. He also has a really cute denim jacket and a shirt that says Love at First Sight with an M on the shirt. He's also fully articulated, posable, 10 inches, and ready for display or for play. I am loving this Minnie Mouse. She is so stinking cute. Every time I look at her, I feel like I find a new detail. She is just adorable. Look at the way they packaged them too. They were holding hands in the package. I love it. Now, Minnie Mouse comes with a really cute clip on her ears. It looks like a daisy, and she also has a removable, that's removable. She also has a pair of removable sunglasses that are rectangular with a bow detail. Removable handbag with ruffles, bow, and Minnie signature on the other side. Her one-shoulder dress is really, really pretty. It's very ruffly. Now, Disney fans are gonna notice something about the dress. That's right, there are hidden Mickeys throughout the dress. So not only do you get this really floral feel, you get a touch of Disney with it. I love this doll. She is just so cute. I think she's one of my favorite ones. Also fully articulated, 10 inches in height, and she has a really cute facial expression. She comes with a pair of silver heels with a bow on them and a nice detailed buckle on the side of the shoe. You could also remove them, but I tried and I wouldn't recommend it. All in all, I think this set's really cute for $29.97. It comes with some accessories. We have a root beer float with a bow detail and swirly straws, and there's enough for two. It also comes with a pair of headphones for Mickey Mouse, and it comes with some popcorn. Of course, you need some popcorn for the movies. Now, guys, let me know what you think of the Minnie Mouse series by Jakks Pacific in the comments below. I think they are awesome. And the price is right. For the single Minnie Mouse, you get 8 for $18.88 at Walmart. For movie night, Mickey and Minnie, it's $29.97. And Glamour, Gala, Minnie Mouse is only $19.97, and she's a special edition. Check out my description below for more details about these beautiful dolls. Again, thank you so much to Jakks. Don't forget to tag your Minnie Mouse loving friends. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to rock your dots today. Bye.